Hi there, welcome to Sid's Tips, and I am looking forward to making your back smile as my back is definitely smiling after I've had an opportunity to try out this back scrubber. This is a silicone back scrubber that's real nice. This was sent to me. It's two-sided, got bristles on one side, massage beads on the other, and we'll dive in and talk more about that. First of all, this is BPA free, it's non-toxic, it is food grade material. Really nice, really soft, and it seems like it's well made. This can be used whether you want to use it on dry skin or wet skin. I really like using it in the shower. It feels great, it awakens you, and you just lather up soap and it feels great. Now, first of all, this is in length, about 32 inches, a little shorter than 32 inches in length, and it's got really nice grips so you can hold on to it well, and looks like these grips will hold up. And what's also nice is with the silicone type material, it hang dries, and you could just take a towel and dry it off. It won't get moldy, and it will last a long time. I really like these type of products, and I know even like for companies that have sponges now that are starting to get more into the silicone material. The same thing with this. This is perfect, especially if you're using it in the shower. Just hang dry it and you'll be able to use it for years to come. Now let's talk about the bristles and the massage beads. So first of all, the bristles start off a little bit on the ends. These are a little bit softer and they get a little bit more coarse. So it goes softer, medium, and then more coarse in the middle. And where here you're really giving yourself a nice massage. It's helping remove the dead skin, and also for itchiness. If you have more of a sensitive skin, you can use the ends. So it's very nice. And then on the back side here, you've got these massage beads, and it feels great. And when you lather up your back and put this on, it feels so good. Now, what's also nice is if you want, you can even use it on your arms. And so if you have some issues with dry skin on your arms, or just other skin issues, you can use it there. You can use it on your legs as well. So while it is a back product, you can use it on different parts of your body. So all in all, really nice product. I really enjoyed it. Made my shower experience a whole lot better. And so glad I had the opportunity to put it to the test. So if you find this video of help and you like the product, give it a thumbs up, greatly appreciate it. Also be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. And if you end up getting it or you're using one, leave any comments. I'd love to find out how it's working for you. As always, thanks for stopping by and learning more about some products that I share with you, and any tips that I can as well. All right, everybody, have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.